We're praying for you to be a big sister in God's time, right? Yeah. How are you today? I like the hearts on your dress. Does that mean you love, love, love everybody? Does that mean you love, love, love Jesus? Yeah? That's pretty good too. Guess what I have in my bag today, my basket? Sometimes it's candy. It's not candy today. This time, do you know what that is? Miss Joni made a whole bunch of these. Does that look like something you might eat for breakfast sometimes? It's like a round cake with butter and syrup on there. What's that look like? A pancake! Do you like pancakes? You do? Is that one of your favorite breakfasts? Yeah, me too. That's really good stuff. Do you know where you can eat pancakes for free? For free? Where can you eat pancakes for free? Oh, you have to cook your own and then it's free. Well, you still have to pay for the stuff. Mama has to go to the grocery store, get the stuff. Even Grandma can't make free pancakes. Can you, Grandma? They cost Grandma and Grandpa something to make pancakes. Well, this coming Saturday, you can come to church and have free pancakes. Did you know that? And it says so right on the back of there. It says you are invited to attend a free pancake breakfast at Wesley Chapel. This is for you. And you know what I want you to do with this? I want you to take this with you. Actually, I'm going to give you two, since there's just you today. I'm going to give you 2 pancakes. And I want you to invite somebody with those pancakes. Take it and give it to somebody and say, come to my church next Saturday and eat free pancakes. Ask them if they know where they can get free pancakes. Say, I do. I know where you can get free pancakes. So come to my church. Can you tell them that? No. What? Can you just hand them the pancake and let the invitation on the outside speak for itself? Papa, will you help her? If Papa helps you, can you do it? Yeah, you and Papa can do anything together, can't you? Yeah. Okay. So Papa's going to help you, and you're going to invite somebody to pancakes. Now, do you know where you can get free pancakes next Saturday? I'm not giving you a pancake because I'm saving them for the children. Aren't they cute? Johnny made a whole slew of these. A slew is a bunch, but not enough for everybody. Enough for all the children. So you don't get to have the pancake reminder, so you have to remember all by yourself. Do you think you can do it? I think you can. The reason that we have free pancake breakfast isn't just to come and eat and get fat and, enjoy food together. That would be enough reason, to have pancake breakfast. But the reason that we're doing it is so we can invite in people that don't have a church, people that don't have a place where they can go to have great fellowship like we can. It would be really selfish of us if we just took what God has given us at Wesley Chapel and we just keep it to ourselves. But look around you at the newer people who have become a part of this congregation in the last year and a half, and you will know that inviting people to your church pays off. Amen? Amen. So your job, even without the pancake, you can do it, is to bring somebody with you next Saturday for free pancakes. Okay? Say, yes, Michelle. Yes. I'll invite somebody. Now, don't be lying in church. Bad. Okay? All right. So, don't forget to do that. Will you say prayers with me, Summer? You want them to help? You want Papa to help? Yeah, Papa? You going to help us with prayers? Can you ask some of your friends around you to help us too? All right. Let's say our prayers. Dear God, we love you. Thank you for all the things that you do for us. Help us to love you, to invite other people to love you, and to always praise your name. Amen. Can you do one more twirl for us while you're on your way back to your seat? Please? Because you're so good at it. One more twirl.